Hi, thank you for watching. I'm Rachel with Pink Greens, and today we're going to be making an acai bowl. Acai is a berry from the Amazon. It comes like this, and you can find it in the freezer section of your grocery store. I always get the unsweetened version, and then when you open it up, they come in these little packets. So it's kind of just a blended down, it's purely the berry blended, but it just makes it super easy to throw in your blender with whatever else you're putting in. So I say acai bowl, that's apparently how you pronounce it. We looked it up. But today we're actually going to be using something called pitaya or dragon fruit. So this is more of a smoothie bowl, but I think the term acai bowl is kind of synonymous with smoothie bowls. So we're going to be using this today, which is dragon fruit, super healthy, tons of antioxidants, and this really pretty pink color that makes your smoothie bowl just gorgeous and Instagram worthy. It's also called pitaya, so you can look for that right next to the acai in the same freezer section in your grocery store. So there's that. What else we're gonna put in here? We have frozen mixed berries, some super greens, because I like to definitely throw some greens in there. And then we have some coconut yogurt. And you're just gonna have this on hand, some coconut milk in case it's getting too thick and you need to kind of get some more liquid in there. So I just got done with my workout. I like to do this right after my workout. I like to do kind of my little morning routine is salt water and then lemon water, and then I usually go work out. I do like lighter impact workouts, like a bar workout, so don't get super hungry until afterwards, and then I have this after. You can watch more about my daily detox kind of philosophy. I have another little video that I'll call Daily Detox, so check that one out too. But this is another option if you don't feel like doing a green juice or green smoothie. You can do a smoothie bowl. We're gonna start with coconut yogurt. So it's a non-dairy, unsweetened coconut yogurt. I always like to use unsweetened versions. You don't want any of that added sugar. You get enough sugar from the fruit that we're gonna use and the berries. And this brand is from Eugene, Oregon, where I'm from. So we're gonna put this in first because you always want the liquid at the bottom of your smoothie. So next we have the greens. I love this mix because it has all different superfoods in it. There's 5. Red and green Swiss chard, tatsoi, arugula, and spinach. So we're gonna put these in, just like a small handful. So now we're gonna do some blending, get the greens and the yogurt. If you feel like you need to add a little liquid, which I do, I'm gonna add just a little bit of the coconut milk. But with smoothie bowls, you wanna keep them thick because the idea is that it's a bowl and you can eat it with a spoon. So let's get blending. Always start on the lowest number. So now we're gonna add mixed berries. I love berries because they're lower in sugar compared to other fruits and a lot of goodness packed into them. Today we have 3 different berries in here. This is pre-mixed for us, which is always nice, and definitely make sure you can get organic. That's always good. So we have blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. And we're just gonna drop these into the blender. So next we're gonna add the dragon fruit. It's also known as pitaya, and the actual fruit looks like that, and inside it has these really cool black little seeds in it. It's bright pink, so it's really pretty in a smoothie or smoothie bowl, and you find it in the freezer section, and then you just kind of open it up, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. So it's kind of these little pouches, and it's literally just the fruit that they've blended together. There's no other ingredients, no added sugar. It's just organic pitaya dragon fruit with pulp and seeds. So it's also really good for your skin. So it's really pretty. It's this bright, like pinkish purple color. So we're just gonna put 1 full packet into our smoothie bowl. So now it's time to blend it all up. Okay, So you'll see that it's really nice and thick, which is exactly what we want for the smoothie bowl. So for the toppings on my smoothie bowl today, I'm gonna use kiwi and bee pollen. I think kiwi goes really nicely with the flavors we already have going on, but you can use anything you want. It's perfect. So pretty. And we have enough for 2 smoothie bowls. And then today I'm gonna top mine with kiwi and bee pollen. Really just because I think it's so pretty and the flavors complement nicely. And this is just bee pollen. If you get local bee pollen, it actually helps with your allergies too. So there we have it, our smoothie bowl. Hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching today's smoothie acai bowl. I hope you love it and I hope you try it at home and let me know what you think. So good, super fresh.